Oh, you waved your hand. All right. Hey guys, welcome back. It has been a very long time since I've posted a video. I have company today and we have some teeny tinies because Five Below put out a ton of new teeny tinies and my daughter got them for me. So I wanted to show you guys, and they are different from all the ones that we've had we've had already. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first one is
the Christmas,
the holiday party one. Now last year they had a holiday party and there was this one. To show you on the back here, this is what was in last year's. Hold on, one at a time. One at a time. So this one is for this year. Turn it around and show you. Sorry for the glare there, but I don't have any other lighting. There we go.
Yeah, we don't have the tree one.
So this was everything that is included. I'm going to open them later, but I just want to show you all the ones that they have now. This is everything that we found so far. Then they
have the lunchbox one.
The lunchbox one. And it has all of these items in it. Again, I am going to open them later.
Yeah, tomorrow, later.
Later. All right, so there's that one. The next one
is
the
ice cream. The ice cream one.
Okay, the sweet shop.
Yeah,
and that's everything that is included in it.
Yeah, it got ice creams.
Okay. What else?
The pizza one.
No, this is a charcuterie board.
Yeah. It got pepperoni.
It has the cheese and all the different pieces to it.
Yes, got pepperoni.
Pepperoni. So that's that one. I'm trying to go through them quick. I am going to show you again all the pieces. So this one is Greek food.
Yeah, we got the octopus plate on it.
There's octopus. And then it's got like the little gyro machine and all the pieces to it. And that's the octopus that he's talking about right there.
And this is so yummy. You better eat that.
All right. Next.
The salad one.
Oh, this is the farmer stand. The farmer's market.
Yeah, it got a pumpkin.
Let's turn it around.
And this is what I was talking about, a pumpkin.
So that's everything that's in that one. And then this is the one that I really was excited about.
Me too.
Was the kitchenette one.
Yeah, and there's the oven, there's the counter, and I don't know where's the pizza dough one.
I don't know. So that is the whole little kitchen set that you get.
Yeah, we got pan.
And then I think this might be a little bit too big for it. It's the refrigerators that they have.
And this.
Hold on, no, put that down. These are the refrigerators that they've had for a while. I don't know if it's going to be too big for it or not. We'll see. I'm going to open it up and kind of put them together and kind of
put it together.
And see kind of how they work, or if they work together or if they fit. So there's that. And then
we got this.
So this is the one he wants to show you guys. This is from last year. Or,
last
year.
This is the pizza one.
It's the pizza shop. So he wanted to show you that one. And again, they did have a lot of other ones. These are the only ones that I have left in a box.
We got a gingerbread man.
So I will be showing you what the items are in the new ones. These are the old ones. So that is all of them. There is a total of, how many was it, Micah? 2,
8,
4. There's 7 of them.
Yeah, but 7. Not 8.
Not 8. There's 7.
Yep.
So again, you got your little kitchen set, the farmer's market, and these go.
The pizza shop.
Micah, these go with like the little coffee stand and all that stuff. So that's what these are from. No, we're not showing that. And then again, we have like the gyro set.
Yeah, we got
Greek
that.
Food,
you better eat that.
and the charcuterie board, which to me the board is a little big, but
yeah,
we'll
for
see.
The pizza. For the pizza.
Once we open it. Stop it, Micah. And then the ice cream. Please stop. then the ice cream, and the lunchbox.
Yep.
And the last one is the kitchen one. I mean the Christmas one, which is the one I'm excited for again. So last year, Monica, hold on. Last year they had, it was 20 pieces as well.
Yep.
But last year you got a wreath and gingerbread house. It was more gingerbread and cookie themed. This one has more food than the one from last year. So
not this one.
So yeah, so I'm excited to open these up. So I'm gonna open them and then I will show you
tomorrow
what they're looking like.